Thank you for your jury service. My name is Rick Lansing, and I am the attorney representing the defendant, Ava Jerome. Before this trial is over, I intend to prove to you that Miss Jerome is innocent of the crime that she is so wrongly accused. Now, there's a single word that the Assistant District Attorney used in her opening statement that I would like for you to focus on. Tragedy. It is beyond dispute that an overwhelming, unimaginable tragedy has occurred. A baby has died, and all those involved have been deeply and profoundly affected. But a tragedy, no matter how terrible it is, it's not necessarily a crime. Prosecution is going to talk all about my client's past, things that happened years ago. And I'm here to tell you, right now, my client has made mistakes. She has done things that she deeply regrets. But this trial is not about what happened a long time ago. It is about what happened on that devastating day in question. Now, if at the end of these proceedings, you believe that Ava Jerome intentionally pushed Kristina Corinthos Davis out that window, then by all means, you should find her guilty. And I believe you will. Because, ladies and gentlemen, I intend to prove to you that Kristina Corinthos Davis went to Miss Jerome's hotel room with anger and ill intentions. And as a result of that tragic argument, she is the one who is responsible for that horrible, horrible accident. Now, I know that is very hard to hear, right? It is sad and it is uncomfortable, but it is also the truth. Baby Irene Davis Ashford would be alive today were it not for the actions of her surrogate mother. By the time this trial is over, you will know that beyond a shadow of a doubt.
Tell the court what you remember from that day.
Well, my daughter Allison and I were having coffee at the Metro Court pool, and all of a sudden, there's this loud crash of glass breaking, and I look up, and there's a woman falling, screaming. It was horrible.
She crashed into the pool with all this broken glass and pieces of the window frame. People were screaming. Kristina was face down in the pool, not moving. The lifeguard, Jocelyn Jacks, immediately went into the pool to administer first aid, and she told me to grab the backboard, and I ran to get it.
I slowly entered the pool to turn the person over. And at that point, we all realized that it was Kristina, who's my former stepsister. She was unconscious. Her face was cut and bleeding. And I had learned in my training that if you suspect someone has a head or a neck injury, you have to be very careful while moving them. But I was especially concerned because I knew that Kristina was pregnant.